Pathak School, myself Jayashree Trivedi would invite you all in online tutorial. As everyone know about that, we have syllabus of NCERT. This is 9th standard books. We have two books. One is Bihar, that is textual part, that have prose and poems, and another is Moment, that is supplementary books. That is story from supplementary reader. Here today I am going to teach about the Robert Frost poem, chapter 1 and chapter 1 and chapter 1 poem. Here we have total number of poems and system. Here we have total number of contents, number of 5 to 11, 1 to 11 chapters, and then we have 1 poem 2, and we have done Moments to Moments is a supplementary books. Here the road not taken. Here this poem is taken out of the collection of poetry of Robert Frost. You everyone know about that. Robert Frost was an American poet. He was a poet of nature. He was a poet of love. But sometimes he is independent. It's a very good poem. He got the Pulitzer Prize of this. So many poems put in 8th standard 2. So many poems his collection put in 10th standard 2. Here in this poem, the road not taken by Robert Frost. He was born on 1874 and died on 1963. During this work, he has written lots of poems and collection of poems, Paul's poetry too. He got Pulitzer Prize too for this poem. Here, what we learn about this poem? So this poem is a dilemma. Dilemma means the choices. Which situation, how he suffered in this situation. See, in this poem, we learn the theme of the poem. Dilemma means choice. And replacing of roads. Here two roads are given. One is more difficult and one is less difficult. Which roads the poet choose and how he suffered there. Poet already knows about that. In our life too, we have to face the problems and situation. But how we difficult the situation and how we face the situation boldly. These two roads represent the situations, the problems, and how we make the decision. Also, this poem gives one very good message to us. What is the aware of analytical skill? All the people have analytical skill. That is the inbuilt in the person. The skill is already inbuilt in his body. The skill is already inbuilt. The God given has. Already all the people have different mind, all the people have different situation, all the people have different divergence. But how he faced the problem and how he made the decision, his or her decision is a right or wrong, that is the dilemma. And how he lived the life happily with these choices. Sometimes we think about that. Okay, if we think that one, that is very good to us. So, here, humbly request to you all, don't think about the situation. Try, think only about the solution. If we know about the solution, if we think about the solution, it gives you much and more. For this poem, the road not taken. Here, the poem have fast 4 stanzas. It's a very good poem, and the poem is also have rhyming scheme too. Let's understand the stanza number first. Two roads diverge in a yellow wood. Here two roads represent. See, here I try to draw this. Everyone know about that. My drawing is not very good. But here, this is the symbolic of Robert Frost. Here two roads are diverged. One is divergent here, another is divergent here. So, which one Robert Frost choose? Another way. Here also this type of road may be there, crossroads may be there. So here in the first line, two roads diverge in a yellow wood. Means yellow means the season is autumn present. Here all the leaves are torn down and the wood means forest is yellow. Means old. This forest is a very long time ago forest, so it became old yellow. And sorry, I could not travel both. Here, poet sorry that because if he choose one road, he cannot pass on the another. So he feels sorry for that. And be one traveler. We already in our life too, we are choosing only one. We cannot choose other one because one road that is enough to our life. And look down one as far as I could, as far as he could, but the road is very long. To where it bent in the undergrowth, how he undergrowth bent down. He bent down more and more, but he has no limit. The road is going far and far. Here in the first line, wood compared with the third line, stood, and wood and stood are the rhyming pair of this poem. Then also wood is also compared with the wood, that is also rhyming pair. Then both and undergrowth. So here we can say that the poem of the first stanza, the rhyming scheme is A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A. This type of rhyming scheme we can see. Here no figure of speech used. Let's see second stanza. Here we already learnt about the first stanza of the poem. Here in the first stanza, the poet says about that I have conclusion, I have to take the decision about the two roads which were diverge in me. In the first stanza, the dilemma of the poet, which one I want to choose, the less one or the better one. Now see the second stanza. Then took the other just as fair. Then took the other just as fair means it was very nice than the another. This one is less or this one is better. And having perhaps the better claims, having perhaps here the poet used the word perhaps. Perhaps it may be better claim. He has doubt. Here which one, how one the another road is there. So here the poet have little bit doubt in his decision, in his choice. Because it was grassy and wanted where, because this, if the poet used this road, it was grassy means full of grass, means lush green meadows are there, and wanted where, and this was wanted where means used long time before, means this road is better than that. Though as far that the passing there, though he is thinking about that, instead of I choose this one, how it is good for me, had warned them really about the same. Here he is thinking about that, which one is good for me, which one is better for me. For this second stanza, the rhyming pairs are fair and where, then there also, and claim and sing. Here also A, B, A, B, A, B or A. We can say this type of rhyming scheme. Here in the first stanza, we can ask so many questions of them. For these 4 lines, we can ask 4 questions. Where was the poet standing? The answer is this: 2 roads diverge when the poet standing, when 2 words are diverged. Second, how the poet who was traveler. Traveler means a person who was traveling here and there to move and fro. That is called traveler. Second, to where it bent, the road is bent under the underneath, and write the rhyming pairs of first stanza. In the second stanza, how many questions can be asked? We can ask 4 questions to which type of the forest, means the forest is yellow and wood. Second, the forest is just fair and having problem there, that is the better claim. So which one is less and which one is better? We can also ask the question. Then also, how this the road, this means this road is grassy, means full of grass, and underwear is used by someone long time ago. Now see the third stanza. And both that morning equally late, both have morning, both have evening, both have afternoon, and both have night all these things in our life is already said here. 2 rows is symbolized with our life too. Every day morning is coming, every day night is coming, every day sun is rising and every day sun is setting. The thing is not the same every day. It means the message of the poem is that every time we are not in the same day. It short sabka time aayega means everyone got the chance to receive the good. Everyone got the chance to receive the bad too. So we have to prepare in our mind how we face the situation, how we choose in our life. We choose good, but after it comes in a bad too. When we choose good, it also alternates. So here the poet gives alternates of our lives too. Listen the third stanza. And both that morning equally lay, both have morning equally lay. Let me place it horizontally. We have 2 types, horizontal and vertical. Means roads are already horizontally, the forests are already horizontally, the rivers are laid down in horizontally. All the situations are seen on the both roads. In leaves, no step had trodden black. In leaves, no step. How to walk over? Trodden means walk over. For not a single leaf you find in a walkover. Means here the situation is that the season is autumn. It means all the leaves are torn down, all the leaves are fall down on the road, and that means trodden, walkover. Not a single path you can clear. Yet knowing how well leads on the way, yet we are already knowing about that, how we go there on our way. I doubted, I have suspected, I have such a doubt, I have such a claim, I have such uncertainty. Okay, it is good or not? If I should ever come back, I should come back or not, because it's a very long way. So, if I choose less one, it never complete. If I choose better one, it never complete. So let's understand fourth stanza. Let's see last stanza of the poem. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, I shall be telling with a sigh. Here the poet telling with a sigh means he chose the correct decision. Somewhere ages and ages and somewhere a very long time ago past, 2 roads diverge into woods, 2 roads are passed into woods, and I took the one, and I took the less traveled by. I chose the less one because I accept the challenges. Here, poet also choose less traveled road because he want to select the challenges of his life, and that has made all the difference. And here he want to show that how many differences in his life. So here 4 stanzas poem, the road not taken by me, means the poet does not choices, but after the end of the life, after he chose the less traveled road because he want to accept the challenges. Here we learn the glossary of this. Almost all the words are simple, but here diverge means to separate or in a different direction, that we can see that is called diverge. We also shown on the road to sometimes diversion means separately from this point. Wood means forest or jungle, we can say that. Claim means demand. Sometimes we appeal, that is also demand. Grassy means full of grass. Lay means placed horizontally. Trodden means walk over. Here in the poem the season shown, that is autumn. 6 seasons mentioned, but here autumn mentioned there. Ages by ages means after passing a very long time. And doubt means uncertainty or suspicion. Now let's see the thinking about the poem. Here the first question is that where does the traveler find himself? So here traveler find himself where the two roads were diverged. What problem does he face? He faced such a difficulty. Which one I choose? Here selection is given. Here choices is given. Here dilemma is there. So which one I want to choose? That is the problem with the poet. Question number 2. Discuss what these phrases means to you. Here one phrase is there, the yellow wood means the season autumn. Means yellow means old age when the leaves shone green. That means it's a springtime. It gives fruits and flowers. But when the leaves became yellow, that became autumn and fall down. That means the season is autumn, and wood that means forest. It was grassy and wanted well, means the road is full of grass and once used by someone, means here the persons travel more and more. The passing there, here two roads diverge and which one is passing. Leaves not step and trodden black, leaves not stop, leaves are continuously fallen down and someone is walked over there. How way leads on the way means how we decide in our life. In our life has also situations, have also such problems, is also such choices. How we choose? We choose challenges or we are choosing the same. Here is given by. Question number 3. Is there any difference between the two roads as the poet described them in stanza 2 and 3? Yes. That is different because one is less traveled and one is more traveled because so many persons passing there. In the last two lines of the poem, see here in the two lines, I took the one less traveled by. Here two choices given, but the poet chose less traveled because the poet chose the challenges. The poet accepts the challenges. Next question. What do you think the last two lines of the poem mean? Looking back, does the poet regret his choice or accept it? Here poet have regret, he choose less than no. Poet have never regret because poet choose the challenges. Poet chose the acceptances. Poet chose the situation and how he delivered the situation, how he faced the situation. Have you ever had to make a difficult choice? Do you feel when you have any difficult situation? How you face it boldly, cowardly in this COVID-19 situation? That is also depicted with this poem. In a COVID-19 situation, that how we face it boldly because think positive, all these things positive. After you have made a choice, do you always think about what might have been or do you accept the reality? Yes, we have to accept the reality. If someone say yes, you come here, we choose the acceptance. But at that time we have to think about our future. How it help with this our future. After 10, you also have choices. Which stream you would go, commerce stream or science stream, which field you choose, which field you give benefits and which field you are taken. You are capable to doing this or not. So life have also choices. Which one we choose that depends on our. I hope you understand this poem very well and understand and try to solve the question answer that given I myself from you to the home. Thank you.